Full for traffic stat for Tango, departing runway 9 below.
Readsville, Mifflin County Airport. Automated weather observation 14224 Zulu. Wind 340 at 5 knots. Peak gust 11 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition few at 4002. Temperature 20 Celsius. Dew point 11 Celsius. Altimeter 3022 inches of mercury.
Cessna County traffic, Challenger 796, Quebec Exterior, overhead left, midfield left downwind runway 29, Cessna County.
Mifflin County traffic style for Tango, entering a downwind for runway 6, Mifflin County.
Readsville, Mifflin County Airport. Automated weather observation 1433 Zulu. Wind variable at 4 knots. Visibility more than 1.
Variable at 4 knots.
Sky condition few at 4,300. Temperature 20 Celsius. Dew point 11 Celsius. Altimeter 3022 inches of mercury.
All right, go ahead and turn that on.
Mifflin County traffic stock for Tango, base runway 6, Mifflin County. We need more power in.
Yep.
Did I do my third? Okay.
All right, is the nose pointed straight? It's not. Power idle. Flare. All right, some light brakes. Got your flaps. Car repeat.
For Tango, departing runway 9 or 6, Mifflin County.
9 or 6?
Should I correct that?
Yeah, go ahead.
Correction, runway 6, Mifflin County.
There is no such thing as a 9 or 6, right? So I'm sure they know what you meant, but... Alright, and the wind still a little bit from your left. So you might want to put in a crosswind correction.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's do it. So slowly working out the crosswind correction. Not that quickly, slowly working it out. Still keep it in there, rotate, and then wings level, let it weather vane.
This is a nice airport.
With gust 2, 9er, temperature 21 Celsius, dew point 11 Celsius, altimeter 3021, density altitude 900.
So runway 27.
Okay,
traffic and arrow 8 miles east, inbound. Runway 1. Okay.
Closer traffic, Sky 42 Tango is base for 27, full stop below.
Oh yeah, I forgot about it.
Where should your right hand be? Nose down, gotcha. Bring some power out.
Final?
Whenever you want. Where should your right hand be, Kathryn? Let's get over there. Let's get over there.
I'm trying.
Up the corner in the big way, didn't you?
Yeah.
Are you pulling up already?
I don't know.
Level off.
I was scared we hit the grass. Closer traffic, Sky 42 Tango, clear the active bloom.